Here's one thing I like about the hard side away luggage. After a trip I just got back from the airport and I like that I can wipe down the outside with some antibacterial wipe, and it just makes me feel better getting it all clean after it's been rolling through the airport. I even clean the wheels. I usually, before I put it away, and you don't have to be as clean as me, but the black one, or you don't have to do this, I'm saying, but the black one I have, you can't wipe because so easy. See, the bottom gets junk. You can't wipe as easy because it's fabric. I'm just saying the fabric version. The black one I have picks up lint and you can't wipe it down as nice. So because I'm a clean, like the idea of getting the dirt and germs off, I do like this hard side version. And then I found you can even clean the wheels by rolling them with the rag before you put it away in your closet or wherever. So that's one reason I like the hard side. It cleans up nice. And it stayed looking good after quite a few trips. There's a few scuff marks here and there, but like Away says, that builds character with your bag.